Today, we're taking a look at the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2. This is our 19th Dreame model tested. We have tested over 130 different robot vacuums, and Dreame is one of our favorite brands. We're excited to see how the L10s stacks up against the competition. A big thank you to Dreame for sending this over, though just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored. As always, you'll get our honest, unfiltered thoughts. If you'd like to check it out yourself, there's a link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find a lot of cleaning accessories. You get the robot itself, a multi-purpose cleaning station with its ramp and power cord, mop pads, mop pad holders, one bottle of cleaning solution, one extra vacuum bag with one already installed, cleaning brush, side brush, and the usual product literature. Setup is quick and simple. Plug in the dock, attach the magnetic mop pad, snap in the side brush, fill the clean water tank, add cleaning solution, and let it charge. Once that's done, just connect it to the Dreame Home app and you're ready to go. Right out of the gate, the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 looks almost identical to the other Dreame L10s models. Some have slight color variations to the ladder module or station cover. Having used the other L10s models, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 performed just as I expected. On the mopping side, our LVP floors came out looking great. The mop system takes care of washing, cleaning, solution dispensing, and drying on its own. And the base station keeps things hands-free. In our high-traffic, pet-filled home, it handled hair crumbs and fine dust without issue thanks to its tri-cut brush. We still prefer conical brush rollers, better for hair tangles, but the tri-cut brush is still an upgrade and superior to the default Dreame all-rubber roller. Setup was quick, mapping was fast, and navigation has been smooth right from the start. When it comes to performance, the L10s more than holds its own. It delivers a solid 10,000 pascals of suction, which lands right at the category average. Noise on max hits 80 decibels, louder than average but consistent with other Dreame models. Thankfully, you can always drop it into quieter mode if noise is a concern. In our real-world carpet testing, the L10s impressed. It scored 563 FPM in our suction test, well above the 422 FPM average. In-use airflow on carpet reached 0.52 kPa, also beating the 0.4 kPa average. What really matters is that higher lab numbers usually translate to stronger real-world cleaning. And that held up true here. The L10s earned a perfect 100 out of 100 performance score, topping the category average of 88 and matching the results of the L10s Pro Heat and the first-gen L10s Ultra. Mopping performance is where things start to level off. There's no hot water mop washing. The station cleans the pads using room temperature water. Based on our research, it still uses Dreame's 113-degree hot air drying system found on other L-series docks. That's below the 122-degree Fahrenheit average, but for its position in Dreame's lineup and the broader market, it's still respectable. Mop lift is average at 10.5 millimeters, and unfortunately, the pads don't automatically detach and reattach like on some higher-end Dreame models. The upside is that the mop pad is extendable, allowing it to clean closer to edges, corners, and chair legs. There's also a dedicated cleaning solution tank with automatic dispensing, a small but very welcome quality of life upgrade. Overall, the dock handles nearly everything for you. It washes the mop pad, dries them, and self-empties the dustbin. Less maintenance, more time to doom scroll.
Nice.
The only notable omission is ozone water treatment, which helps prevent that swampy, smelly, dirty water tanks can develop if the water sits too long. If you know, you know. Moving on to battery life, Dreame claims up to 240 minutes of runtime, about an hour above average. That's in ideal conditions, so we ran real-world tests to show what you can expect. On the lowest suction setting, the L10s can cover nearly 6,500 square feet before hitting zero, which is about 2,900 square feet above average. On max suction, expect just under 1,000 square feet, still around 150 square feet above average. We also track hard floor speed, and here the L10s covers about 1.33 square meters per minute, right in line with the category average. So what does this mean? The L10s is fast and efficient with strong battery life. But its perfect carpet deep cleaning score shows it's not just efficient, it's also powerful. You usually get speed or cleaning, not both. This is one of the few robots that delivers both. The Dreame Home app, available on iOS and Android, gives you full control over your robot vacuum. You can fine-tune both vacuuming and mopping settings, build custom cleaning routines, and target specific rooms or zones. It supports multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and voice control through Amazon and Google voice assistants. What you won't find is a built-in voice assistant or live video monitoring, both of which are included on more premium models. Standout features include intensive carpet cleaning, off-peak charging, carpet controls, and real-time maintenance tracking to help you stay on top of component upkeep. While the app does have a bit of a learning curve because of its depth, it's easily one of the most feature-rich and thoughtfully designed platforms I've tested. After trying all the major apps, it's my personal favorite, making Dreame my top overall pick. Roborock earns an honorable mention for its excellent app as well. Since its release, feedback has been largely positive with an average rating of 4.2 stars. Customers consistently highlight its cleaning ability with thorough mopping and effective dirt pickup and appreciate its ease of use, quick setup, and value for the money. The device maps house as well, and customers consider it worth the price. The functionality and app accessibility received mixed reviews, with some saying it does its job while others report it doesn't work well. And while some find the app user-friendly, others find it not user-friendly. Like every vacuum we test, the L10s has some clear areas for improvement. It lacks an extendable side brush, hot water mop washing, live video monitoring, and automatic mop removal. The upside is that all of those features are available on higher-end Dreame models, so none of this is surprising at this price point. The biggest weakness by far is obstacle avoidance, if you can even call it that. In our testing, it achieved just a 25% avoidance success rate, well below the 62% category average. Ideally, you want to see this number as close to 100% as possible. It also performs noticeably better on hard floors than on carpet. On hard flooring, it successfully avoided a tall poop pile and a large dog bone. On carpet, it hit every single test object we put in its path. So where does that leave the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2? Overall, this is a very strong, all-around robot vacuum that delivers exactly what its performance numbers promise. It excels at deep carpet cleaning, offers efficient coverage with solid battery life, and pairs that with one of the best apps in the industry. The hands-free dock experience is excellent, and for everyday value-oriented vacuuming and mopping, it is reliable, fast, and capable. That said, it is not without trade-offs. Obstacle avoidance is clearly its weakest area, especially on carpet, and it lacks some premium features like hot water mop washing, live video monitoring, and automatic mop detachment. If those features are must-haves for your home, you will need to look higher up in Dreame's lineup. But if your priorities are cleaning performance, smart automation, and a mostly hands-off experience at a more approachable price point, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 makes a lot of sense. It hits that sweet spot where performance, efficiency, and value come together, and for many homes that balance matters more than chasing every last premium feature.